Today I thought I'd talk about one of my favorite hobbies, which is bird feeding. I have always loved birds. I don't know why. Something about like how they're kind of like dinosaurs, but like with feathers, and they make pretty sounds, and they come in all different styles. So it's super easy to feed birds. You buy a bird feeder, fill with birdseed, and put it in your yard. Sometimes it takes a little while for birds to find it. We've had ours for quite a while, so we have tons and tons of birds. Look at that cute little bluebird. I don't even know what it is. I haven't actually worked on any like bird identification yet because that is obviously too hard. And look at them, they're so happy. Look, they're so cute. So cute and happy. One of the nice things about having an active bird feeder is that you'll hear and see a lot of bird activity in your backyard. It's really nice, especially in the wintertime. I find like you wake up to this beautiful sound of just birds chirping and singing right outside your window, which is so beautiful, unless you wanted to sleep in and then you're kind of like, shut up. And you just want to like take the bird feeder and be like, you're not getting any more seeds. Can you all be quiet? But that doesn't happen very often. One thing people will tell you about feeding birds is like, oh no, you're disrupting like the natural order and it's gonna bring squirrels. Which it does. And it's gonna bring, the squirrels are gonna bring snakes into your yard. And you know, this is kind of bullshit because there are already snakes in your yard. If you think there aren't snakes in your yard, there are. And you know what else is in your yard? Spiders. I read somewhere that you're never more than 6 feet away from a spider. So take that in. For real though, I just saw a hawk in the backyard. That's a scary bird. So if you're like me and your husband is like, no, we are absolutely not gonna have birds in the house because we did that before and they made a big mess and we're not doing it again, then try bird feeding outside. You will have such a variety of birds and it makes you feel like, okay, I'm doing something good for birds who can't really thank you, but I'm sure they're thankful.